To adjust the target AFR ratio in Terminator X, that's going to be done in the fuel ICF. When you first open it up, it comes to your base fuel, but you'll want to actually look at the target AFR ratio section. Now, if this is your first time editing it, it may look like this, where all the numbers in the graph are grayed out, and you just have the numbers up here for your target and cruise. And that's because it's set to simple. If you want to actually be able to adjust it, you need to set it to a 2D table. Now, once you do that, you notice all this becomes ungrayed, and you can go in and start editing it. So with this setup, it is currently set for 105 kPa as the top. So this would be a naturally aspirated setup. And of course, 20 kPa is going to be your heavy vacuum setup. So you can go in and adjust this just by highlighting the cells you want, setting it to the AFR that you're looking for. And if you're trying to blend it, say you know that it's going to, you want 12.5 at wide open throttle, but you want to blend it, you can select the sales that you want to blend. And then if you right click, you can tell it to fill column values, or you can hit the letter C. And then as you see, it blends it from that 15 to the 12.5. And then this is how you can actually go in and change your target AFR ratio.